This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark theme on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable dark theme in Waterfox, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, I am on the General tab, and on the center pane you want to scroll down to where you see the website appearance section, and right here by default it's probably set to automatic, but you could toggle on light mode right here, or you could toggle on dark theme. I'm going to toggle on dark theme. Now the web page has changed to dark theme, but as you can see my interface up here is still in light mode. To do that you want to scroll down just a little further to where you see it says dynamic themes, and you want to toggle on force dark mode. Now as you can see up top here, my interface has also changed to dark theme. That is how to enable or disable dark theme on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.